It's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. If you have an excitement on sports and activities such as karate, I think you're going to like this one. I'm going to have this guy little jumping in the air and kicking action. All right, he's actually any color belt you want to. If it's a yellow, well, even a beginner white, or a master kung fu black belt. All right, so if you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. So what can you take home from this one? Here's a challenge that's really exciting. So if you saw this karate guy in action, I'd love to do this. Take sports, any type of sports that you like. Take your favorite character, player should I say, and actually just look at him when he's in action, hitting the ball, throwing the basketball, whatever it is, running. Take that and turn it into a cartoon. Perfect action shot like you can't believe. Even if you watch it on TV, stop the TV, take your phone and take a picture, or if you have a magazine with them running or on the internet, just standing there, whatever it is, it's a great way of actually getting some really phenomenal action shots into your characters. All right, so I want to say, as always, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Hey, I'm John-Marc, and I have some exciting news to share with you. I just finished publishing my latest comic book, Friend Fish. If you like family-friendly content, this comic book and the series is perfect for you. Well, where do you get it? 2 places. Amazon.com. Just type in my name, John-Marc Wrote, or go to my website. That's jmg-studio.biz. I know you're going to enjoy it. Thanks a lot.